Hi, good day, my friends. Today I'm going to make a small tutorial about Pinterest. This is one brand new account. As you can see, only have 470 followers, and these are my analytics. Only 94 daily impressions and 6 daily viewers. 6 to 8. But I'm going to show you in the next video, maybe the next 2 weeks, how this account improve. And the way that you have to do to improve your account is you're going to make about 10 boards. You have to put some good contests. For example, I had this was lose weight. This the 4-week diet, work from home, men's fashions, weight loss tips, ladies in red, cocktails, hairstyle, nails, healthy recipes, travel planning and tips. And I'm going to make the next day I'm going to make some new boards, and I'm going to put a good contest. I'm going to make some design using Canva, using Pixmatic, Pixabay, and different platforms that you can make some good images. Put your logo, put your website URL, and then I'm going to show you how you can grow your followers, your repins, and the traffic to your website. See, to grow the amount of followers, you coming for one of the person that are following you. For example, this lady, and you have to go to her followers, because she's in the same. I have this she has some board about health, beauty, lose weight, and everything, and I comment and I start following about 100 and 150 person that are following her, and this person will be following you back in a few days, in a few hours. And this is how you can increase your followers. And I'm going to show you now how you can increase your pings and repins. You have to make some good boards and some good pins with person. For example, when you make pins with the person in that picture, it will have a lot of repins and a lot of followers, because that pins are better than pins with letter, with any other, for example with cars, with motorbikes and everything. But when you make some good pins with lady fashion, men's fashion, person inside, this grow your account. This is a good tips to increasing your followers, your monthly viewers, your daily viewers. And to make some redirection to your website, to increase the traffic to your website, you have to create some pins. And that pins, for example, when you put the description, and when you put the URL to your website, that the person may click in that pin, make redirection to your website. And this is how you can increase your traffic to your websites. And you can make some pins. And so image in your website. You can make a schedule in Tailwind, you can see here. And you can make some redirection to your pin account. When the person may click, see the traffic coming to your website. For example, to put the description and to put the URL to your website, this is how you have to see. You put the board, you put the section, the description. That this description had some keywords that when the people put in the Pinterest search bar, maybe your website or your Pinterest account can be in the second, the third place in the. Now when the pin is ready, you only have to save, and that's it. And this is how you can make the redirection to your website and increase your website. You have some affiliation program in your website, or the person that in Pinterest go into your website and maybe they can buy something. Maybe they engage with your content in your website. For example, you put something in the search engine from Pinterest, and there is all the weight loss program that we have. You can choose that you like it, and you can put in your, you can save in your Pinterest account. And the person coming to see this very nice pins, and this is how you can increase your viewers and your followers. You select, for example, the first pins that are in your display. You can make pin to your account. We are going to check it now. How can we save? And that's it. These are the pins that I made now. I save in my account for this other person that are in the lose weight niche. And this is I am earning some viewers, and I increase the viewers and the followers for this person because had this very nice pin. And how you can make some money with Pinterest. For example, with that website, I have some affiliation products. The people that are looking for lose weight tips going to my website and they like the offer that I have, they can buy it from me, and I can generate some incomes. You can use job style. This has some pretty models. To make some money, you can use job style. In this platform, there are a lot of models, and this is a pay-per-click platform. You can make some pin using Canva, and you can put in your website. And when the people may click in the image, you're going to generate some incomes. Another way that you can use is Amazon affiliation program. You can put some image from Amazon in your board. When the people may click going to Amazon, and this is the people made some purchases in the 24 hours that your cookies is in the Amazon system, you can generate some incomes. And that's it. You can make different business with using Pinterest, making the redirection to your website, and you can improve your YouTube followers, your Instagram followers, your Twitter followers, because you can make some pins to that social media platforms. You can improve all your social media to make some marketing online. And that's it. I'm going to make some video the next few weeks, and I'm going to show you how much I improve in my pins, in my repins, in my followers, in the traffic to my website. And that's it. Thank you. Have a good day. And I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and that's it. You can see some different tutorials that I'm going to make in a few weeks. Thank you.